to run, to rejoice, to embrace every moment that comes your way. It's your life, and it's our passion to care for it. Sanford Health. Health lives here.
We take you to Yankton to show you how a local business is adapting to the coronavirus pandemic.
Plus, we have the latest on the coronavirus outbreak in Kettleland, including new test numbers as another county is added to the list with a positive case.
And an emotional plea from Sioux Falls Mayor Paul Tenaiken, how he is calling on businesses and individuals to flatten the curve.
Good morning. This is Kettleland on the go with all you need to know in news and weather as you start your day.
We'll get to our top stories in just a bit, but first, let's get a check of our weather with meteorologist Scott Munt.
All right, good morning, everybody. In weather this morning, we're following rain and snow, especially in the parts of western and northern South Dakota. That rain-snow mix continues this morning. Some of the snowfall amounts may approach an inch or two, and there's a lot of moisture in that snow, too. So it can be a little sloppy on those roadways, especially during the morning. As I mentioned, that will continue for tomorrow. Then we're watching for heavy rain chances in southeastern Kettleland for the first half of the weekend. More details on that coming up in a couple of minutes.
Thanks a lot, Scott. The state of South Dakota is reporting 2 new positive cases for coronavirus. They're in Brookings and Beadle counties, bringing the statewide total now to 30. But yesterday, during her daily news briefing, Governor Noem urged people to continue to follow her guidelines she issued on Tuesday during an executive order.
Projections are, and models and data and facts tell us that we have another 8 weeks potentially until we see our peak infection rate, which means we expect more and more people to become infected with COVID-19 over the next 8 weeks.
As of last night, nearly 800 tests have come back negative. 268 tests are still pending. Along with the state lab, both Sanford and Avera are able to process the tests for COVID-19. Governor Noem also issued an executive order that allows state employees to continue working from home until May 2nd.
Sioux Falls city leaders are continuing to ask people to take the COVID-19 pandemic seriously. The mayor is urging people to stay home. He is also asking business owners to make smart decisions.
We are, however, with those businesses that stay open, we're putting the heat on to be smart with how they're running their business.
The Sioux Falls Public Health Director Jill Franken says the window is closing to mitigate the spread of COVID-19. She says what people do now will play a role in the health of our community.
As COVID-19 spreads, community leaders are urging you to do your part to social distance. Governor Noem also recommended schools in the state remain closed through May 1st.
These schools have done phenomenal work already throughout this situation. They've been feeding kids at home. Some school districts have been putting out 5,000 meals a day just to make sure the nutritional needs are met. I know that many of our school districts are ready for this challenge and are doing it on behalf of the kids that they're tasked to serve.
Governor Noem says distance learning will vary among districts. For example, some may deliver homework to students while others may offer more online learning.
A pair of local ambulance services now have vehicles specifically designed to transport COVID-19 patients. MedStar and Patient Care each have one ambulance that will only transport patients confirmed or thought to have coronavirus. They've modified the design to protect the driver. The items within the ambulance aren't different, but they will be handled differently.
Our ventilators and/or monitors and things will have clear plastic bags over them. So we can still see the workings of the machinery, but we're going to keep the viruses and things off the machine itself.
Major says it's like putting together a brand new truck, but added that the ambulance will be ready to use by Wednesday. Many businesses across South Dakota have been taking major hits as a result of the coronavirus pandemic.
Embroidery and Screenworks is one of many companies that's going through changes. CEO Andy Holst says he's trying to keep all of the staff employed as best he can. He has them working half shifts and trading off to compensate for the lack of business.
We already scaled our entire staff back to 50% last week. We cut everybody's hours to 50%.
Other businesses have had to lay off employees completely or switch their business models entirely to generate some kind of revenue.
Here's a positive story to brighten your morning. A Special Olympics-themed pickup was added to the Pennington County Sheriff's Office fleet of patrol cars.
The new ride represents the relationship between law enforcement and Special Olympics in South Dakota.
Obviously, life has changed the last few months, and this was originally scheduled for April 4th with the polar plunge, but that's been rescheduled to June 6th. So we need to put the vehicle into service. So you're going to see it out in the community. We want to let the public know what it's about.
The Polar Plunge is one of the largest fundraisers hosted at the Black Hills Harley-Davidson for Special Olympics athletes. Brian?
All right, as we turn to weather this morning, we do have areas of rain and snow in the forecast. Let's have a look at this. Futurecast update has been reflecting on these showers in the south, but we've had kind of a band of a little bit more organized snow trying to fall early this morning from Rapid City up into areas near Gettysburg and then kind of over into the Redfield vicinity. So continue to watch that. I think there's some chance along that line that some local snow, if it can get effective at actually accumulating on the grassy surfaces, it could add up to a fresh coating of snow that's at least an inch or two in spots. And I'm even open to the idea of some very localized banding that's a little more than that. Otherwise, it looks like Sioux Falls area, just plain rain showers. And what we do see today should diminish tonight. But then a new grouping of rain and snow. See that? Snow for Pierre, Rapid City late tonight and early tomorrow morning. And then that is a part of your Thursday forecast. I think Pierre and Phillip, Chamberlain, Winter could easily be prone to some areas of snow tomorrow. And just like today, local amounts could be a little heavier. Like Phillip, for example, some of the numbers are supporting a 2 to 4 inch coating of snow. Now, a lot of this will tend to wind down by Friday morning. And then Friday's kind of a break day between systems. And the next one will come up for Friday night and Saturday. There's your snow total today and tomorrow. A lot of these official numbers aren't too bad, but again, just be aware of where things could be a bit heavier locally. Speaking of heavier moisture, there is the probability that Saturday rain totals could be an inch in some spots in the southeast. That's something we have started watching. We'll continue to update that. 30s and 40s today with the rain and snow combo, and we've got to introduce that again tomorrow in Sioux Falls. Lesser chance Friday. Look at next week. Once we get through this weekend system, then things will improve. Saturday may also be better in Aberdeen already, near 51. And next week, I love the looks of that. 60-degree weather in Pierre on Monday and Tuesday. And Rapid City also will be trending warmer in the 50s to near 60 early next week.
All right, thanks, Brian, and thanks for joining us for KELOLAND on the Go. Be sure to join us on air for midday in KELOLAND.
Until then, you can get up to the minute developments right here on KELOLAND.com. Now go have a great day.